Hi there. Today I am going to discuss about engine knock. Engine knock is the noise produced by the engine due to abnormal combustion. So, what are the reasons for knocking in a diesel engine? If the delay period is long, a large amount of fuel will be injected and accumulated in the chamber. The auto ignition of the large amount of fuel may cause a high rate of pressure rise. This high rate pressure rise and maximum pressure rise leads to a knocking. Here is the comparison of SI and CI engine knock. As we have seen from the figure, the SI engine knock starts at the end of combustion because of auto ignition temperature, whereas in diesel engine the knocking starts at the start of combustion because of longer ignition delay. The ignition delay is a time taken by the fuel mixture from point of injection to the first occurrence of auto ignition on P theta diagram. We also have seen from figure in SI engine the pressure rise is very high at the end of detonation, whereas CI engine pressure rise is lower as compared to SI engine. The pre-ignition is the main cause of detonation in SI engine, whereas diesel is injected at the end of compression stroke, so there is no chance of pre-ignition of a diesel. The combustion the combustion of the diesel in CI engine is based on the auto ignition of the fuel mixture. Here are some factors which affect the engine knock in SI and CI engine are as follows. First is self-ignition temperature. The self-ignition temperature in the SI engine is high to avoid the pre-ignition tendency, whereas in diesel engine the self-ignition temperature is low to achieve auto-ignition as soon as possible to reduce the engine knock. Second is the time lag or delay period. In SI engine, the time lag is high because after the spark, flame spreads slowly and gain strength for further ignition. Whereas in diesel engine, the delay period is low because of the self-ignition temperature of the diesel is low to reduce the engine knock. Third is compression ratio. In SI engine, compression ratio should be low to avoid the pre-ignition of fuel, whereas in diesel engine the combustion start with the help of self-ignition, so the compression ratio is high to achieve the self-ignition of the mixture as soon as possible to avoid the sudden pressure rise as well as engine knock. Next is inlet temperature. In SI engine, the inlet temperature of the valve should be low to avoid pre-ignition, which leads the detonation, whereas in diesel engine the inlet valve temperature is high to increase the inlet air temperature with the help to attain the self-ignition temperature of fuel at the end of compression stroke and reduce the engine delay to avoid the engine knock. Next is inlet pressure. Inlet pressure in SI engine is low to avoid the engine lock. For same compression ratio, the pressure and temperature at the end of compression stroke is high for high inlet pressure, which leads pre-ignition of fuel and engine knock, whereas in diesel engine the inlet pressure should be high to achieve self-ignition temperature, which reduce ignition delay to avoid the engine knock. Next is combustion chamber valve temperature. If the valve temperature of combustion chamber is high in SI engine, it causes pre-ignition of the fuel, which leads engine knock. So it is recommended to maintain the low temperature of cylinder valve in SI engine, whereas high valve temperature in CI engine helps to reduce ignition delay and reduce the engine knock. How we can control the diesel knock? The diesel knock is controlled to reduce the degree of turbulence, as it will reduce heat loss. However, it will increase the combustion period and thus reduce the torque and thermal efficiency. Reduce the delay period by adding chemical dopes. called ignition accelerators. The two chemical dopes are used are ethyl nitrate and amyl nitrate in concentration of 8.8 gram per liter and 7.7 gram per liter respectively. Next is high rate of pressure rise and high maximum pressure in the second stage in uncontrolled combustion. If large amount of fuel collects in the delay period, it can be reduced by arranging the injector so that only a small amount of fuel is injected at first, which reduce the rapid pressure rise in second stage. Thank you. Here are some references for your further study. Thank you.